hands. Ooh, your nails look dirty.
Yeah, because I was cleaning the dirt.
Really? Well, you gotta go clean those, baby. Don't play. We're giving out turkeys today, guys. So, just want to show you what we're cooking up.
Give me this.
Pick it up. I know it's heavy, girl, but it ain't that heavy.
Give me this. Go out there.
Come on. We're gonna come right back and get that one.
We need water.
Let's go to Miss Pauline, the lady with the purse right
Ma'am?
now. Here, Lonnie. Give her ID. Gonna give her a turkey. Thank you. Now you got it. That's in.
You taking a picture?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
You got it?
thank you.
Oh, because you see me with the phone
Yeah.
like this.
Thank y'all.
You're welcome.
All right.
See.
Shay, how you doing?
Hey, how are you? He
you
called
been?
me Shay, but I'm Sade. How you
You
been?
know I know.
He know who I am.
No, they know. I didn't know me been yours. I didn't know.
Yeah.
She know me and Harry. Harry O.
Oh my God!
Okay, that's Harry O.
How you been?
Every time I see this little girl, that
That's
little,
Harry
little
O.
Oh,
child.
you can still say little girl.
See if you want them with a little bitty something.
That's
Yeah.
how they
It been too long.
Yeah,
I
that's
know.
And you know, I've been right here a long time, but this bitch stopped like 30 years. I seen the people around here.
I know.
Cause I don't be in people's business.
I
been
know, I
going
know.
that
Yeah, I
I've
don't
been
be in
going.
people's
Me
business.
either.
But they know me though. They remember me real good.
Yeah,
How
Harry
you been, though?
O.
I told her, I said, you gonna get your turkey, just hold on. She said,
I said,
hold on, I
you
gotta
might-
go get my turkey.
Yeah,
I
we
said,
folk
you gonna
people
get
gotta
it.
get turkey.
That's my daughter that's handing you your turkey. The little
That's your daughter.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Yeah. And that's my other one sitting in the car over there.
Boy,
So.
look at here. Ain't nothing out.
You got two children on.
4. I have 4. Yeah.
Sue your mama.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God, Jesus, you was a little girl.
Ooh, that's my baby right there.
Thank you. And this is your baby.
Yes.
I don't believe this sound.
That's my baby.
Hey.
Ain't that's my baby?
Yeah.
Like,
Wow, girl, she's beautiful.
She said happy
And
Thanksgiving.
she told me some heavy turkey.
Yeah. All right, y'all. I got my cheese sauce going. Put my milk in there and some mozzarella cheese, some shredded cheese, some Colby Jack, all kind of cheeses. So I'm waiting on that. It's almost ready though. Cheesy. I already did my macaroni noodles, which I'm gonna mix it. You know, I'm gonna put 2 eggs in there, and well, about 3 eggs, and then my secret ingredients. I'm not gonna tell you. Got my yellow rice, and I'm gonna do green bean casserole and cornbread. And I'm making a cake, pecan pie. I got my turkey in there. And that's only been in there for about an hour, so no, that's nowhere near done. But by the time you guys see this video, everything should be done, which will be tomorrow. Tonight is Wednesday night, so I'm only getting like the main courses done right now. Alrighty. Okay, so I've had my children helping me. My son, he buttered the pan. Yes, I butter my pan with my mac and cheese too, as well as with my cornbread and dressing. But he buttered the pan. I poured my noodles that I had already boiled in there. Remember, I boiled my noodles with salt and pepper and butter. And sometimes I put oil in there, even though oil and water doesn't mix. It's just the thing that, I guess with my imagination, thinking that it will stop the noodles from sticking, putting a couple caps of oil in there. But anyway, yeah, boiled my noodles. My son buttered the pan. I poured my noodles, macaroni noodles in the pan. He cracked 3 eggs and put them in the pan. We mixed it up. And I put my secret ingredient in there. And then I just poured my melted cheese, which I'm about to pour a little bit more. And you're going to see some cheese that did not melt in here, like this piece of, I think that's a piece of mozzarella right there. It's not a shoestring, guys, I promise. My daughter was looking like, ew, what's that? It's mozzarella that did not melt, but it will melt in the oven, okay? Because we got all different types of cheeses in here, so some melted better than others. But yeah, you want to make your cheese sauce, and the way you do that is just pour some milk in a pot, and then put all of the cheeses that you like inside of your milk, and cook it, heat it up to it gets to your consistency of your liking, and pour it in your mac and cheese. And then I'm going to, let me see the shredded cheese, please. Can you get me the shredded cheese? Where do you think the shredded cheese is? They're looking behind them. I'm gonna top it off with this to make my crust. Okay? So after this process right here, I'm putting my liquid cheese, mixing it all in here. I'm gonna top it off with the shredded cheese, and then I'm gonna cover it and put it in the oven for maybe about 20-30 minutes. Then I'm gonna uncover it so it can crust. Then it's done. Okay, they are making a mess right now, but I wanted to show you guys what I was talking about. Here, go ahead. And yes, my children have washed their hands thoroughly. They're dropping cheese everywhere. But they are putting the cheese across. Oops, sorry. That's okay. And this is how we're gonna make the crust. And then the last step I do after I put enough shredded cheese, make sure it's in every corner, is sprinkle black pepper on top of it, and then that is it. That's it, guys. Okay, there's the black pepper on top of the shredded cheese, and now it's about to get covered up and go in the oven. Okay, y'all, it is the next morning. I am cheating doing Jiffy cornbread. Let me tell you, if you don't have time to make homemade cornbread, don't stress yourself about it. Please have you 2 boxes of Jiffy or whatever cornbread you like on the sideline, okay? Because I'm making a cake too. I'm doing a lot, so I don't have time for it. So I got my Jiffy in here, put my 2 eggs, eyeballing my milk, and I'm about to mix this bad boy up. Of course, I'm gonna butter my pan, which is right there. I was gonna do it in the cupcake pan, but my daughter wanted me to put the cake in here, so that's what I'm gonna do with that. Yeah, you can stir it. But yeah, I'm cheating with the cornbread today, y'all. I just don't have the time.
Oh, sorry.
Everything else is about done. Let me see, because ooh, that heat. It's hot. Watch out. Don't talk about my turkey, y'all, because it's ugly, but it's done. Okay, and it's pretty. And yes, that's the neck sticking out. I put stuff back in there. I like to cook it because I will be using that for something else. And the mac and cheese. Hold on. Yeah, I like it too. I'm like, it's probably not gonna be good on looks with everybody else, and everybody already been eating the mac and cheese because I got a lot of pepper on it, so it's probably ugly to you, but it's really, really good. See, everybody been eating it already. So yeah, I almost got everything done. Forgot to show y'all yellow rice. I left some in the pot for whoever won't like the casserole that I'm making. So simple. Yellow rice, green beans, and I added 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, and I'm heating that up right now. And once that thicken up a little bit, I'm gonna pour it on the top of this, and that's gonna be it for that dish. Okay, and yeah, that's about it. Churn, baby, churn, churn, baby, churn. Get those lumps out, churn, baby, churn. That is the end of my casserole, guys. I guess I'll come back and show you my plate. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, fair warning, I did not eat a lot, so this is all that's on my plate. I even just peeled the drumstick off only because I wanted a piece of the dark meat, but I'm not gonna eat all that, and the wing too. There's no way. And they even looked at my plate, was like, you don't even have a lot. Yeah, and I'm not even gonna eat all this. But I know I'm gonna eat my pecan pie. It's all ugly over there, but it's so good, okay? So, just wanted to show you guys a little glimpse of my life. Mac and cheese is bomb, okay? If it wasn't good, y'all know I would tell you the truth and say it's not good. Only thing about my little so-called casserole over here is I think I should have put a little salt and pepper in the cream of mushroom soup because it kind of has no flavor. That's the only thing I'm not liking about that, but everybody else is eating it like it's fine. And my turkey's not dry. Probably looks dry because of the skin and everything, but the white meat is always going to kind of be dry, but I got the juices in the pan for that. So all right, happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Toodles.